Okay, watch me how I go from one island to another in the Stockholm archipelago. So I have first, this is gonna be hard first to get down, so I'm just gonna to be careful as it is slippery. But yeah, I'm at Notholmarna in Värmdö, and I'm about to go from let's see if I have the shoes with me. I'm gonna go from this side to the other side on one of the two, from one to the other islands of Notholmarna. So wish me luck that everything will go as planned. Something. Hope I will not drown now. Okay. I mean, my backpack is in, and my shoes are also in. So let's go. This is Beach Adventures with Kris, and today we have an adventure for real. Hope this is not quicksand also beneath me, and it's not that deep, so I have inspected the area first, but it's a bit tricky. And what if it's gonna be deeper on the way back? So I'm gonna be stranded on the island. But there are blueberries, so I will eat. Okay, I have some few sandwiches with me, and this is how it looks like where I'm walking. And I feel a bit cold because I was in for a swim when I was investigating. But I think it should be fine now as I walk towards the coast of the island, as I have swum to the island and it looks amazing, so I wanted to spend the day on this one, as it is more scenic than the other one, which is already scenic. So okay, my backpack is heavy. So we are soon on the island. Just I really hope I won't slip, as these are some slippery rocks. Oh no, this is slippery. I can't get up. No. So slippery. Almost there. Wish me luck. I'm on the island. I'm on the island. Now I can enjoy and also pray that this won't be any deeper later today. I hope not when I need to go back, otherwise I will sleep on the island and get eaten by mosquitoes if there are any. But yeah, now Kris is on the other island that is facing exact on the open sea, and that's where we are going now to show you that. Now we have some clouds, but the forecast says there's gonna be sun mostly, and it is very warm, 24 degrees Celsius. Let's investigate the island. Oops, okay, I almost fell there, but fall 7 times, stand up 8, as they say. Look at that, it looks so amazing. I really love this type of islands, and Sweden has way too many islands. This is, I wouldn't say small, but yeah, maybe small island. Small island it is. Let's see if there are blueberries on this island. There should be. As people are usually saying that Swedish islands are tiny, that's why Sweden has so many, but this one is quite big. You can, if there was a fresh water here and electricity, you would be having a house here, summer house on the coast, and that is my goal, to buy a summer house on an island and to have a boat as well. And then I will be exploring all of the islands in Sweden. Well, 267,750 islands. It will take eternity to visit. It's almost impossible to visit all of them unless you start from early age and visit 1,000 islands per day. Wow, wow, wow. Yes, out on the open sea. So the hard work to get here was worth it. It's so beautiful. And this is my beach spot for today. Woo! Out on the open sea, I just can't believe it. What a beautiful place I have found. And it's also flat. The rocks are flat. Out on the open sea, I couldn't have asked for a better beach day and beach adventure. So right now it is 12 o'clock. So I will be here for at least 6 hours more to enjoy, as I started off the day quite early. But yeah, greetings from Notholmarna, one of the islands that is out on the open sea. Thank you so much for watching this unusual adventure of me crossing from one island to another in Sweden. And see you soon again with another beach adventure from here. Actually, I'm gonna do one more episode from this beautiful place on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.